Okay, there's one called Zeigarnik effect, and Zeigarnik effect means that it's in your brain instead of paper, right? And it burns mental energy and causes stress. How many of you have been in situations where you know it has to be done? It's not on a piece of paper. It's not on a calendar. It's not on a planner. It's right here. It's parked right here, and it's eating you. All of us. Like we have right now, we finished our backyard, and the contractor did everything except the Ramada. So we got the tile outside kitchen, looks nice and everything like that. And what's been happening for the last month and a half to 2 months? Rain. And then we have outside furniture, and we have a wooden table and chairs, and it looks all pretty, and it's sitting there, and it's getting wet. So here I am looking at it constantly, bitching about it constantly, but I'm not doing anything about it. Why? Because it's not in front of me. I didn't write it down in a calendar. It's not in my planner. So I need to call a company that would actually come in, take the measurements, give us a quote, and then build a Ramada. Finally, yesterday, I contacted my friend. I got point of contact, and I reached out to him yesterday. I took action, but it's almost 2 months where he's just been right here. And every time I see it, I was like, oh, man, I cannot believe this. I didn't do this. I didn't do this. I didn't do this. How many of us go through this on a daily basis with things that we want to accomplish? It's not in our calendar. It's not on our planner. It's right here, and it's parked.